Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. Well, I have another super tiny Dollar Tree haul. I almost wasn't going to make the video, but I thought I'd go ahead and share in case you haven't seen these couple of items that I picked up at Dollar Tree. And of course, if you like them, you can always check out your Dollar Tree to see if they have arrived. So, yeah, I didn't grab very much because, to be honest with you, there isn't all that much that's new. They are bringing out more winter Christmas decor, but a lot of the stuff seems to be the same from last year. However, there were a few newer things that I've seen this time around, and you would have seen them at the beginning of this video in my What Did I See at Dollar Tree this time around. So what I ended up picking up from Dollar Tree and bringing home were a couple of signs. These ones I had not seen before, and I think they are super cute. Of course, the red truck, and I do love that there is the glitter on the truck. It just looks so pretty in the light. There is some glitter as well on the snowflakes that are throughout the sign, and it says Farm Fresh Trees on the truck. It has a tree in the back of the truck, and then it says Merry and Bright on the bottom. I thought this was probably one of my favorite signs this year that I've seen so far. The second sign that I picked up is this one with the little camper, which I absolutely love. Has the red and black buffalo check, little wreath on the door. The poinsettias have the glitter on them, and it says Home for the Holidays. And then it also has this these two poles that have a light strand going across, and the little lights have glitter on them as well. So I thought that one was also one of my favorite signs that I've seen this year. They had a bunch of these wooden light up decor pieces. This one here happened to be the old-fashioned truck. You could paint this to be red or blue or green or whatever color you prefer. And then on the license plate it does say Christmas. It has a wreath on the front and presents on the top, and then you can see it has the tea light candle in the center there, and once you pull out the tab it lights up so that the light shines through the headlights here and the rad, and then in the front mirror, which I think is going to look super cute. And then the last thing that I picked up are these decor signs. Again, one of my favorite things that I've seen so far this year. This is the particle board MDF. It has a MDF or particle board frame on top of this centerpiece here. It says Good Tidings of Comfort and Joy with the holly berries, and then it has the wooden beads so that you can hang it up. I thought that was super cute. There was also another one, and that will be in the pictures at the beginning of this video. I can't remember it offhand, but I picked up a few of these ones because this one here was my favorite. And guys, that will do it for this quick, super small Dollar Tree haul. I hope you are all doing well. I hope that even though this was super small, that you enjoyed the pictures at the beginning and then the things that I ended up taking home. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video. It will greatly help my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, well, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye for now.